How to replace a human touch Novo XT PRO SE transformer. You will need a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud. Pull the rear shroud toward you to detach it, then turn it clockwise and rest it on the floor. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the PCB cover. The 2 PCB cover corners facing the front of the chair are secured by a barbed tab. Push each corner of the cover toward the front of the chair to clear the tab lip, then pull firmly up on the cover to detach it. Cut the 2 zip ties that secure the transformer cable to the other cables. Disconnect the 2 transformer connectors from the main PCB. Disconnect the red transformer connector from the power PCB. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the cable guide holding the red transformer cable in place. Remove the cable guide, then free the red cable. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the transformer. Remove the transformer from the chair. Now, let's replace it. Place the new transformer into position, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. It's helpful to partially tighten the first 2 screws, fully tighten the 3rd screw, then finish tightening the first 2 screws. Place the red transformer cable between the 2 cable guide posts, under the black cables. Place the cable guide into position, then replace the 2 screws to secure it. Connect the red cable to the power PCB. Connect the 2 white transformer connectors to the main PCB. Replace the 2 zip ties to secure the transformer cable to the other cables. Cut the excess zip ties. Note the 2 slots on the PCB cover. Note the 2 tabs on the PCB tray. Lower the PCB cover slots over the PCB tray tabs, then use your fingers to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Replace the 3 screws to secure the PCB cover. Note the slots on each side of the chair. Place the rear shroud into position, with the edges installed in the slots. Make sure the edges are installed in the slots, adjusting them if necessary. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.